Oh, go on, go on. It look like we don't have nobody on the side. Cause PJ ain't good, you know. Cause PJ ain't good, you don't set the thing where who not go through them sitting here right now. Where this boy could come get fair do what I'm do right now. So we don't have nobody on the side. Cause if Marky G nah really make the move, we set the thing right. Cause it's there in the past where certain he have a influence where he can draw a hard line and get certain things done. And if him not do that, then we're going to look on your side here, brother. Because you have the tool that work before and you're not using it. So, yeah, there's that one of them. So, if I saw you be, we have to, I don't know how to say, but we have to, we can't look to them. We have to just fight the back of ourselves, brother. The two of them out of this rascal. And we take over this blood clot cause one of them a fuckery. Far as how we see it. The system a fuckery. More and more me see it. Every day the same thing repeat. Bag of fuckery. I tell you know if I run for post I know me can't even make a post. Ja, you want to set the narrative. And you make the other team to come out every week, every day. The whole press briefing. And I know you can't hold press briefing like what not do? You not get paid millions and I know move lame, bro. You need to out. And I talk to people them and I try to set a narrative. You make them to set the narrative. You not make them over talk, you not make them over represent, you know. You not see, you not heard. You not do a good job. You not do a good job. When the tactics not working at this age, yeah. You need to out there. They make the people them soon. They could be heard. You need to be more representing as opposition. You need to laid back. You just accept everything. Maybe we know the things behind the scene, but that is not enough. You need to be out at the front line. They talk to the people them. You don't have them people here every week they call the press briefing panel. Like you don't have phone, you don't need no fancy setup. Just come out and talk to the people them. That's all you need to do. And for your side, what do so much wrongs, brother, what easy to get beaten, brother. You need not to draw back for no 70s or no 80s thing what they do. The amount of thing what them do right now and what they still continue to do. Like, the amount of thing what them people here, the runway Cuban doctor them, bro. The whole country should have shut down, brother. We should have hold upon them, bro. And I said, no pussy now left out of this year. No Cuban now move. If you have the people them out, brother. Rally up the troops them, brother. We out in our cheap, brother. And then thing them, man. Come on, man. With us, brother. I want to fight, bro. I want to fight. Come on, man. We need somebody to represent, man. I want to fight, man. I'm only fight the war, you know, man. Come on, man. We just a submit. So what kind of submission, man? We just putting on them behind the back and we just lay down and we just make them tie up, brother. Like, come on, man. Put some black paint on the eye, brother. And come on, man. And take off the jacket and tie them and anything, them, and just chill. And just tie some around them, man, and grab some thick, man. And, brother, a tribal warrior fight, man. I want to know, man. We are stand up, you know, man. Stand up for our rights, you know, man. What do you know, man? Need even a voice. If you don't want to do that, brother, need even a voice. We are here. Speak up, talk up. Bomboclaat.